Good morning, class. How is everyone today? Oh, that's good. Even I am good. Thank you. And how has your day been till now? Okay, it was very fun. And I hope this activity that we are going to start with also makes your day very fun. Okay, so class, it's called Close Your Eyes and Imagine, and you'll have to close your eyes. I'll give you a situation. You have to tell me your responses according to that. Okay. So let's start. So class, close your eyes and imagine that you're walking bare feet on mountains. You're walking bare feet on a mountainous region or area. How do you feel? Yes, your toes hurt. You can feel the stones and the rocks. The surface is very uneven. Yes, that's great. Now class, close your eyes and imagine that you're standing on a beach. How do you feel? Yes, you feel the cold water. Yes, you feel the waves coming back and forth. Yes, that's great. Now close your eyes and imagine that you're walking bare feet on a desert sand. How do you feel? Yes, the texture is very smooth and grainy and unlike the stones and the rocks in the mountainous region. So class, today we'll be talking about such changes that the earth leads us to. Okay, so what are the forces that leads to such changes, and how can we see mountain at one place, how can we see a plane at one place? So we'll be talking about all of this. So our topic for today is our changing earth. Okay, our changing earth. So class, our earth is like a fruit. Okay, it's like a fruit. It has various layers on it. So the uppermost layer is called the crust or the lithosphere, which is a house to various landforms such as mountains, rivers, plains, etc. But what leads to the formation of such landforms? So we can say that there are various forces that leads to the formation of such landforms. So class, whenever we as humans grow up, we tend to change according to our age, our life, we tend to change. So what leads to such changes? We can say our environment, our immediate family, our peer group, or our education, where we live, our culture, etc. So similarly, our earth also keeps on changing, and what forces lead to such changes, we are going to talk about those forces. So class, the forces are of two types. There are two types of forces that lead to such changes. One is the force that comes from the within the earth's surface, or the endogenic force, or the force that comes from the outside, or it brings outside agents to act on it, and it is called exogenic force. Okay, so endogenic and exogenic. So today we will be talking about endogenic forces, which are the forces that come from the inside of the earth's surface or the interior of the earth's surface. It is further divided into two categories: sudden and slow. Sudden and slow. So as the name suggests, sudden, it happens within a span of minutes, within a quick time, and slow is where like it eventually happens. So sudden में क्या आता है हमारा volcano, landslides, volcanic eruption, landslides, earthquakes, and slow में आता है हमारा mountain formation. So जो mountain है एकदम से खड़ा नहीं हो जाता है, it takes time to build up and eventually become a mountain. But जो volcanic eruptions हैं, earthquakes हैं, landslides हैं, they happen within a span of a few minutes, and hence they are called sudden forces. Okay. So let's talk about a volcano today. We will be experimenting also with a volcanic eruption, and you always will enjoy that. Okay. So let's talk about a volcano. So as you can see, okay, so this is a volcano. A volcano is like conical structure. It's like a conical structure, and it has an opening or a vent on the top. So it's like a conical structure which has an opening or a vent on the top. इसके अंदर क्या होता है? There is magma in it, and it leads to volcanic eruption. अब volcanic eruption कैसे होता है? We'll see that. So the volcanoes जो होते हैं, they can either be under the water, or they can be in the form of mountains, and mountains के form में होते हैं. They can be covered with snow also. So this is a volcano. As you can see, it has an opening. See, it has an opening, and chemical structure. Okay, so class, जो volcanic eruption है, it happens because of the lithospheric plates. जो lithosphere है अर्थ का surface का, it has lithospheric plates that are continuously in motion and keep on moving. So whenever a plate clashes with the other plate, कुछ ऐसे हल्का सा हम कह सकते कि जमीन हिलेगी और देयर इज अ लिटिल मूवमेंट और एन एक्टिविटी दैट टेक्स प्लेस. ओके, सो इससे क्या होता है, या तो अर्थक्वेक आता है, ऑल्सो जो इसके अंदर मैग्मा होता है वॉल्केनोस के अंदर, उसके अंदर गैस बबल्स फॉर्म होने लगते हैं. सो इट टेंड्स टू इरप्ट. जब वो इरप्ट होता है, जो अंदर से लिक्विड आता है, it falls on the neighboring areas and it tends to solidify later on. ठीक है, जब वो erupt होता है, it's very very hot, it is also known as lava, and whenever it erupts within a few minutes or hours, it tends to solidify and it forms rocks. ठीक है, so we'll be seeing how a volcano erupts. So I have taken a volcano, I have added Eno inside it, Eno or fruit salt, or even you can add baking soda, and then I have taken water with red color in it. Okay, so let's see how a volcano erupts. I'll put it inside this and see. So we can see that जो हमारे आसपास यहाँ पे eruption हुई है, all this part, so ये जो है बाद में solidify हो जाएगा. अदरवाइज लिक्विड कलर का, लिक्विड मैग्मा रेड कलर का इरप्ट होता है. इट्स वेरी वेरी हॉट एंड इट कैन कॉज मास डेंजर. ओके, सो इससे मास डिस्ट्रक्शन हो सकती है. पीपल कैन गेट हर्ट, पीपल कैन डाई ऑल्सो. सो दिस इज हाउ अ वॉल्केनो इरप्ट्स. थैंक यू क्लास. So you can also come one by one and experiment with the other volcano.